Hello there, what is up? Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. If you are new here, welcome. On this channel we share one little spark of life in each and every video, and in today's video I guess it's the first official Disney cooking Disney, whatever we want to call this little series that I'm doing about once a month, where I cook things either inspired by Disney or from one of these Disney cookbooks. Leave in the comments down below if you have a name for what this cooking Disney series should be called. In today's video, we are going to be cooking from the delicious Disney sweet treats. And I thought, why not start with the flagship Walt Disney World Resort? Let's start with a recipe from the Grand Floridian. So today we are going to be making the Grand Floridian strawberry shortcake. It's a dessert that looks so impressive once you're done, but it's actually super simple to make. If you want to know step by step how to make this dessert, keep on watching. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to take this flour, baking powder, and salt mixture, and you're going to want to sift it. This is a step that you may feel that you want to skip, but it's really important not to, because if you do skip it, your cake will not be all light and fluffy. Besides waiting the 2 hours for the cakes to cool, this sifting is actually going to be the thing that is most time consuming with this cake, but it is definitely worth it. I've made it before without sifting, and it was still edible, it was still good, but it was just like a hard, dense cake. Sifting not only brings air and lightens your cakes, like it brings air into the flour mixture, but it also helps mix everything together. And sifting is one of those things, you know, if you have kids at home, you can give them this task. Around the holidays, this was always my task growing up, just to sift flour and such. And there we go, all sifted and ready to mix. To the mixing bowl first goes butter, and we're going to cream this for 1 minute. Next we are adding our sugar. We're going to mix this for 2 minutes. Alright, so now we're going to add our 3 eggs in, one at a time, mixing in between both. And then of course wash your hands because cross-contamination is real. So now we're going to add our vanilla. We are going to add our sifted flour, baking powder, and salt mixture. We're going to add this on the lowest speed, mix for about 2 minutes. If you go any higher than your lowest speed, there is going to be a big whoosh of flour, and it'll look cool, but you know, you'll lose some of your mixture. When it's all done, this is what your shortcake batter is going to look like. It's not a watery consistency like most store-bought cake batters are, because it's a slightly different type of cake batter. But we're going to take this and we're going to put it into a round baking pan. And since it is not a watery consistency, you might need help of a spatula. I have, by the way, already sprayed this with a non-stick spray. Even though it's a non-stick pan, I did not want to take any chances. Our cake batter is now going to go into a preheated 350-degree oven for about 16 to 20 minutes. I would suggest timing it for 16, taking a look at it, going from there, because you do not want a burnt cake. While this is in the oven, my sous chef is going to come and clean all of this. It's me, I'm my own sous chef. Okay, see you in my time, 16 to 20 minutes. Our cake has been out of the oven and has been cooling for about 15 minutes, and now it's time to turn this over onto a wire rack to finish cooling. Let's cross fingers that it comes out cleanly. Yay! Alright, so now this is actually the longest part about making the strawberry shortcake. This has to sit and cool for 2 hours. It's really important to get it all nice and cool because we're coming in with a whipped cream mixture. It's now time to make our filling. We have powdered sugar, and we're going to mix to that some heavy whipping cream and vanilla. I'll mix this for about 3 to 5 minutes or until stiff peaks form. that was so easy, just 3 ingredients. You will never, ever want to buy Cool Whip again. So you're going to set aside a cup of your mixture for decorations, and with the rest you're going to want to add your strawberries. So of course you're going to want to clean your strawberries and then dice them up. Really dice them up however small or large you would like them. Whenever I bite into things that have fruit in them, I like to have like a good chunk of the fruit. So I roughly diced mine. Now Disney did not include this next step in the instructions, but whenever I've made this in the past, I find that it works better whenever you do refrigerate this mixture for about 15 to 20 minutes. It just I guess the cold just solidifies it a bit more. It is all mixed. I'll pop this in the fridge to chill and then we'll come back to assemble. Now for the final step, which is assembly, we have our chilled strawberry and cream mixture. Fell a bit right on. So this is a cake that is thin. So this strawberry shortcake has a thin base and a thin top and is mostly the delicious cream and strawberry. We put the top of the cake back on. Now it's time for decoration. You can really decorate this however you would like. I'm making a base here to stick some strawberries in for decoration. So there we have it, slightly impressive looking, if I do say so myself. I'm not going to do a taste test of this together because I am not eating that whole strawberry shortcake by myself. I'm taking it to somebody's house so we can eat and enjoy it together. If you make this dessert, let us all know how it turns out. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. Make sure you click that subscribe button and ring that bell on the way out. Every Monday and Friday I upload beauty, lifestyle, subscription box videos, and then every Wednesday we do a little dose of Disney. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!